What's up, beautiful? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kat. This is my channel, and this is a video that you requested on my Instagram, so be sure to follow me there for more video suggestions by you. Today I am doing a pack with me. Say hi, Brett.
Hi.
We are leaving for Florida in about 36 hours, and you guys wanted to see a pack with me video, so here we are. I have all of my crap relatively laid out and ready to go, but I thought I would bring you along for this process because you wanted to see it. So a lot of this will be sped through. I hope it is satisfying to watch me pack all of this up into tiny little packing cubes. I am using packing cubes from Amazon, which I will link down below for you. But yes, let's look at what we've got. So we're flying Southwest, so we get 2 bags each. We're only going to bring 2 bags for me and 1 bag for Brett. So this is kind of a joint bag. We're going to be putting like our pool floaty, our pool towels, and our toiletries in this bag. It's a smaller like carry-on size, but it works. So all the goods are going to really be in this big boy right here. So these are the packing cubes over here. And I got a pretty decent amount of them. I think they were like 20-something dollars, and there's like 5 or 6 in here. And then I, of course, have my makeup cube, which is separate. I got that from Revolve. And I have another little one over here just in case we need it. But here's kind of an overview of everything. So it's kind of sorted. Bikinis, underwear, swim cover-ups, t-shirts. And then one thing I always recommend when packing for a vacation is picking out your outfits and putting everything together. So I have these fun flowy pants from my last haul with a Brahmi top also from my last haul. Those are an outfit, so they're going to stay together. Same thing with this little top. It goes with its little Hawaiian print overshirt, so those are going to stay together. I've got pajamas here. I have 2 power banks here. I need to charge them, so we're going to set those up here. These are some things I pulled out of my nightstand to take with us, including my prescriptions, some books, some face care things. Lovely. One thing that we do for vacations that saves us a lot of time and energy and money is I go to the, I go to the Dollar Tree and I get shampoo and conditioner and body wash for $1 each, and then we leave them there for the next guest at whatever condo we're staying in. So we can also count that weight out of our suitcase when we come back, which is good because we're heavy shoppers. Alrighty, so I am ready to start putting the stuff in the packing cubes. I have a little bit more sorting to do. Let's switch over to the time lapse of me putting this all together, and I will stop intermittently, show you some cute stuff, and let's get it done. Blue or peaches? Blue or peaches? You're not helping. Okay, 1 cube down. Extra floaty for Brett. This one is shaped like a lime. So lately, one of my kind of go-to easy looks, I'm sick of putting on full strips of lashes lately, so I get these lashes at the Dollar Tree and I cut them in half, and I use the tapered end, whichever side is longest, on the outside, and I just add like accent lashes. So each one of these pairs of lashes has obviously 2, 1 for each eye, but since I cut them in half, it's 2 lashes, 2 sets for a thingy, and I can use them more than once, so I'm gonna take just these 2 pairs with us, and then I'm just gonna throw them away. Another pro tip, if you're going to the beach, bring slippers. A lot of Airbnbs just have tile floors and no carpet, so you end up with sand all over your feet before you get in the bed. Not fun when you end up with sand in your bed, hence slippers to keep those clean peats. Nice and clean, I guess, is what I'm trying to say, right? Clean peats, clean bed. So I'm taking my Louis Vuitton bag that I carry all the time as my carry-on because it's pretty big and it's got a zipper pocket and has a crossbody, which I really love. It has lots and lots of space. I am going to take my laptop on this trip because I will be working a little bit. That's what I was getting at. I am packing right now my little bag that I plan on carrying around with us when we go shopping, or just, this is my cuter bag for the actual trip, but I'm gonna go ahead and pack this, and I'm packing it underneath something else that's colored. So next up, I'm gonna prep my vitamins. I get a lot of questions about my post-surgery vitamins. These are the ones I'm gonna take. I'm not gonna take the calcium citrates. I never remember to take them on the vacation. Half the time I don't remember my multivitamin. So we're just gonna take these 2 a day. I have a little pill case. This is gonna go in my carry-on, but I need to put it all in here real quick. All right, next up is makeup, jewelry, beauty things. Just remembered I have to pack my hair towel. There's never an extra towel in an Airbnb for your hair. There just isn't. So one thing I would suggest is I have a big drawer of makeup that I use on a regular basis, but I've been doing minimal makeup looks. Like today, I don't really have much of anything on. But I put everything out, and if I didn't reach for stuff that was in the drawer, I'm not taking it with me. So like during the week. So I have a curler and a straightener that are going with me. They have hair dryers at our Airbnb I already checked. This is not particularly cute, but setting powder, highlighter, primer potion, mascara, eyeliner, brows, brow wax. This is that bronzer, but I use it as eyeshadow. Blush, I might not even need. A couple of brushes, a couple more nipple covers. These are single use. Haven't tried these yet. Beauty blender, big powder brush, tiny hair ties, and I also have a tiny hair tie cutter that I got on Amazon. I'll link that down below. Contour. This is the only foundation I'm taking, and it's really just a concealer. Sunscreen. This is another moisturizer I'm going to go ahead and take. Lash glue. I'm going to take this for skincare in the morning. I'm not going to pack this until last minute. This is the perfume I'm going to take on the trip. Indian Jasmine. And then I'm trying to decide if I want to take this hair oil or not. It's pretty heavy. I probably won't. I have a sample of one from Way, so I think I'm going to take that one instead. And then we have my jewelry box. And I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to take yet. So I'm going to put all of this stuff, I'm going to start putting this stuff in this case, and then we'll look at jewelry in a second. All right, time to look at jewelry. These are the Stackers jewelry case system from, oh my gosh, where is it? The Container Store. I saw these on the Home Edit. I am going to take these 2 rings for sure. These are my Julie Voss rings. I love them. They are beautiful. I will probably wear them though. Okay, so in here is my most worn stuff. I'm going to take this for sure. And then I think I'm going to take these shell earrings that I got from Spartina. Brett got me these little turtle earrings from Spartina, and I'm going to take those also. I haven't had a chance to wear them. I'm going to take my little Monsteras. And then I have some just like cheap gold chains that I'm going to take for stacking. I think those will be cute. Okay, let's look at the next stack down. Ooh. Okay, these are always fun. I don't know if I have anything fancy enough to wear these with though. So I think those are gonna stay. I do have a couple pieces in here already. This is a case from Spartina that my mom got me. And these are just the anklets that I got from Shein that I hauled in my last haul video. Okay, let's go to the next one. This is a bunch of extra things. I don't know if there's anything in here. I think I might take these little monsters. They're super lightweight and fun. And then the last thing. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here's the fun stuff. Okay. I am gonna wear this right now. I'm so happy these things came back in style. They're so freaking cute. And then I got these dupes for the Zara set. The Zara set sold out, so I found dupes on AliExpress. So I'm gonna take these for sure. So it's a little necklace and a matching bracelet. So cute. Have to take those. Ooh, these are fun too. I'm gonna take those for sure. And then I was thinking about taking some of these, like, I got this whole set of crazy rings on Amazon. Those are fun. I'm gonna take that one. And then, I don't know, maybe that one? I'm trying to think of what colored outfit. Oh god, that one's a little tight. Okay, maybe not. I'm trying to think of what colored outfits I've got. That's too tight. See, and that looks crazy on my pinky. That's cute with the jewels. I think I'll take this one. Okay. There's the jewelry pile. All right, so I've got everything in the suitcase that I can put in the suitcase right now. So I'm missing like some jean shorts and charger cords for things. And I need to put the beach towels in here. They are in the wash. I still have to put my laptop in there and all of my things that are gonna go into that bag. You know, last minute stuff, toothbrush, hairbrush, those kinds of things. But these packing cubes, this is the first time I've ever used them and I am thoroughly impressed. The only other thing I really have to do is pick out my outfit for the plane. So I know I want to wear this shirt from Farm Rio, socks, bike shorts, Air Force Ones, but I have to pick the hoodie that's going to go with it. So I'm not going to know what I pick until I get up that morning and see how I feel. But yeah, that's what I've got. All right, you guys, so that's what I got. By the time you're watching this, I am already on my way home, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe. If you made it this far, leave me a pink heart in the comments below and tell me the one thing you cannot travel without, and I'll catch you in the next one. Love you, Warrior Crew. Bye!